Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good. So welcome back to the class. Once again we will start our topic coding and decoding. So in the coding and decoding beta we were doing the number system coding, and in the number system coding I have told you three types of coding. First one is direct coding, second one is position of letters in English alphabet, and third coding is as per given set of rules. So all the three types of coding with examples I have told you. Okay, now we will start our exercise, and exercise also we have already started 5 questions. First to 5 questions I have already explained. Okay, so what is given in these type of coding? So I am doing the recap first. So direct coding, simple questions were given from the direct coding and you have to find out the answer of the question. Second one, position of letters. So position of letters I have already told you. There are total 26 letters in English alphabet. You can start from A also, you can start from Z. If you are starting from A, so you will say this one will be the left hand side of the letters. If you are starting from the letter Z, so you can say it will be right hand side. Clear? So two positions you can take from the left hand side and from right hand side. Clear? Third one is as per given set of rules. So in this table, in this rule, first of all one table and some rules were given. So according to the rule we will solve the questions. Clear? After that beta I have already told you, first when you are finding the questions of position of letters, so you have to learn these two words. First one is EJOTY. Okay, when you are starting from the left hand side of the letters, it means when you are starting from A, okay, and you can say this is left hand side. Okay, so you will learn the learn the word EJOTY, and position of these letters are E5 fifth position, J position is 10th, O position is 15th, T is at 20th position, Y is as 25th position. If you are starting from the right hand side, it means from Z. So what will be the position of the letters? So you have to learn this one word B, G, L, Q, V. Okay, these letters. So what is the position of these letters? V 5th position, Q 10th position, L is 15th position, G is 20th position, and B is 25th position. So these are the position of the letters. You can learn in shortcuts. Okay, after that you can find out the position of all the letters easily. So this is from left hand side and this one is from right hand side. So when the questions are coming from the position of letters in English alphabets, rearrange. So first of all you can write these two words in your rough page, and after that you have to solve the questions. Is it clear? After that beta we have started the exercise. First exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1 we have started, and in this exercise first 1 to 5 questions I have already explained, and these questions are based on the position of letters. Okay, after that question number 1 to 5, okay, these questions I have explained, and these questions are based on the position of letters in English alphabet based on the second rule. After that beta question number 5 to 11, or you can say question number 6 to 11. Okay, question number 6 to 11, these questions are clear from the direct coding. Very simple, easy questions are given, you can do yourself. After that 12 to 27 questions, these are also given. These are given from the as per given set of rules. So as per given set of rules, I have already told the examples of these questions also. Okay, these are also very easy questions. Okay, so you can solve these questions also yourself, and if you have any doubt, I will take the June class tomorrow. Okay, so we will discuss in the June class these questions 6 to 11 and 12 to 27, because these are very easy questions. Okay, you can do yourself. That's why I am not explaining on the board. After that we will start from the question number 28 to 35. These questions are very tricky and important questions. Okay, so we will start from question number 28. So what is question number 28 beta? Is it visible first? Yes. Okay, so question number 28 is given if WORK work is written in the code language as 4, 12, 9 and 16. It means W is denoting by 4, O is denoting as 12, R is denoting by 9, K is 16. So you have to find out then what is the code of woman, WOMAN. Okay, if work is coded as 4, 12, 9, 16, then what will be the code of WOMAN? Clear? So simply beta, first of all you have to write these two words, because this question is based on the position of letters in the English alphabet. Is it clear? After that you have to check the position. Okay, so you can see WORK. So what are the position of these letters? So simple, you can write 4, O position is 12, 9 and K 16. So first you have to check these positions are written from the left hand side and from right hand side of the letters. So you have to check W position is given 4. Okay, so where will be the WI position? If you are starting from the left hand side, so where will be the W? Here, T, U, V, W. Okay, after T it will be U, V and W. So 20, 21, 22, 23. If you are starting from left hand side, so W position will be 23, but it is written 4th. Okay, it means you have to start from the right hand side. Okay, so from right hand side I have written the word in shortcut form. So here you can find out after U, V. Okay, U, Q, after V it will be W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so after V it will be W, and you are going this one side, it means after 4 it will be, after 5 it will be 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, because Z position will be 1, after that Y 2, X 3 and W it will be 4. So what will be the position of W? So it will be 4 beta. Okay, so it means you have to start the counting of the position of the letters. You have to check from your right hand side. It means from the letter Z. Okay, so what is the W position? It is 4. It is correct. After that, if first letter is written from right hand side, so you have to check the second letter from right hand side also. So you will check what is the position of O. So where will be O? O, P, Q, L, M, N, O. After L, M, N, O. So 15, 14, 13, 12. So O position is 12. Yes, it is correct. After that, R position you will check. So R will be beta A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Okay, P, Q, R. So R will be after Q. So after Q it will be R. So 10. After that it will be 9. So what is the position of R? 9 from right hand side. Is it correct? Yes. K is 16. So position of K also you will check. So J, K, L. J, K, L. So you have to check the position of K. So L will be before K. So here it is 15. So what will be the position of K? So it will be 16. So position of K is 16 from right hand side. It means all the position of the work, okay, all the position of the letters W, O, R, K is written from right hand side of the English alphabet. It means you have to write the letters W, O, M, A and all the letters coded you have to do from your right hand side. So you will write the position of the letters. So what will be the position of W? So W you can check where will be W. So W I have already told you it will be 4. So position of W will be 4. O position that also we have found it will be 12. So after 4 it will be 12. After that M position from your right hand side. So J, K, L, M. After L it will be L, M. So 15. After that 14. So position of M will be 14. A position from right hand side. Z is first position. So A will be at 26th position. Clear? After that M. So M will be after M, N. So for M is 14. So N will be 13, 14. So what will be the answer beta? 4, 12, 14, 26 and 13 will be your answer. Okay. 4, 12, 13. Once I am checking the answer. 4, 12, 14, 26, 13. Very good. Okay. 4, 12, 14, 26 and 13. So this will be your answer. It means simple question number 28 beta 6 to 11 and 12 to 27. These questions are very simple questions. 6 to 11 are simple from direct coding and 12 to 27 are given as per given set of rules. Okay. So table is already given, coded is already given, code is given, rules are given. So you have to follow the rule and find out the answers. These are very simple questions. You can do yourself, I know. Okay. Otherwise, if you have doubt, we will do these questions in our Zoom class also. Okay, doubt class also. After that, question number 28 to 35, these questions are very tricky. Okay, so we have to solve these questions. So question number 28, I have explained if work WORK is coded as 4, 12, 9, 16. So what will be the code of women? So simple WORK, these position of these letters are written from the right hand side of English alphabet. You can check. After that you have to write the letter WOMA and these letters also you will start from right hand side of the English alphabet. Okay, right hand side of the letters. So W is at position of from right hand side will be 4, O position will be 12, M position 14, A position will be 26 and N position will be 13. So 4, 12, 14, 26 and 13. So this one will be your answer. You will not add these numbers, okay, because answer is given only like that, so you have to leave here only, okay. You can see answer will be given like that, 4, 12, 13, 14, 26, 13, because question is also given in this form, 4, 12, 9 and 16. Work is coded as 4, 12, 9, 16. So woman is coded as 4, 12, 14, 26 and 13. Clear? Now next question beta. Next question. As per given set of rules, okay, this is from left hand side and this is from right hand side, okay. You have to write this one as it is, 15, 12, 25. Clear? So next question, question number 29. Question number 29 beta. Question number 29 is given, if God is coded, if God is coded as 6, 8, 14, 16, 3, 5, so what will be coded as boy? Okay, so what will be the coded as boy? If God is coded as this one, these one numbers, okay, if God position is given 6, 8, 14, 16, 3, 5, so what will be the coded as boy? B-O-Y. Clear? You have to find out. So first you will check how you have written the coded in coded language God, 6, 8, 14, 16 and 3, 5. So simply beta, first you will write the solution like that. You will write G-O-D. You have to check. So this one is written 6, 8, 14, 16, 3, 5. Okay, I have divided like that. Clear? I have divided this one like that. Okay, so first G position you will check. Okay, what is the position of G? So first we will start from our left hand side. So here from left hand side you can check the G position. So after E it will be F, and after that next will be G. So E position is 5. So what will be G position? 6 and 7. Okay, 7th position. So G position is 7th. Okay, G position is 7th. O position you will check. So O position is 15. O position is 15. After that D position, so D will be before E, so it will be 4th position. Is it clear? G position, it is from left hand side 7. O position is 15. D is 4. Now you can check what is the relation between 6 and 8. Okay, this, G is written 6 to 8. So 6 to 8 means 7 will come at between 6 and 8. Okay, 7. The number 7 will come between 6 and 8. Okay, O position, this is 15. So 15 will come before, between 14 and 16. And D, this is 4th position. So 4 will come between 3 and 5. The number 3 and 5. Clear? Okay, so what you have to, how will you write G-O-D? So simple. G position is 7. So 7 will come in the place in the between 6 and number 6 and 8. And the second one, O position is 15. So this will come at between 14 and 16. And D position is 4. So 4 will come between 3 and 5. Clear? Now same like that you have to find out the position of boy. So first you can write the letters. Okay, position of B. What will be the position of B? So from left hand side also, if you in the first number you have done from left hand side, so it means in the answers also the number you have to find out. This one also you will start from the left hand side beta. Okay, so here you have to find out the coded language of B-O-Y. Okay, so B, what is the position of B? So A is by first position, B will be at second position, so B will be second. Clear? Now what will be the position of O? So it is 15 from left hand side. Now next one, what is the position of Y? Okay, so Y position will be 25. Clear? So B position is 2, O position is 15 and Y is 25. Now you have to find out these numbers will lie between which two numbers. So 2 will lie between 1 and 3. So at the place of B we will write 1 and 3. Next 15 will lie between 14 and 16. And Y 25 will lie between 23 and 26. Clear? 23 and 25. Sorry, 25. Okay, 25 will lie between 24 and 26. Clear? After that you can do the slash here also. Okay, so this one code 1, 3, 14, 16, 24, 26. Okay, because God is coded as 6, 8, 14, 16, 3, 5. So boy will be coded as 1, 3, 14, 16, 24 and 26, because B position is second position from left hand side of the English letters alphabet. So it means 2 will lie. The number 2 will lie between which two numbers beta? 1 and 3. Okay, 15 will lie between 14 and 16. 25 will lie between 24 and 26. So you can write we will be lie at between 1, 3, 14, 16 and 24, 26. So answer will be 1, 3, 14, 16, 24 and 26. Okay, 1, 3, I am checking 1, 3, 14, 16, 24, 26. Yes. This is correct answer. Clear? So like that you have to find out. Clear? It is not written after all. Okay, so you can write, I am writing here y position, so it is 25. So 25 will lie between 24 and 26. Clear? So what will be the answer of boy? 1, 3, 14, 16 and 24, 26. Clear beta? So like that you have to solve this question number 29. Now next question, 30th question. Question number 30. Question number 30 is written if Scotland is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and LOAN is coded as 1, 4, 3, 5. LOTS is coded as 8, 1, 2, 4. Next, DAN is coded as 5, 3, 7. SON is coded as 4, 5, 8. So what will be the code of C? Okay, what will be the code of C? Next question beta, what is given? If Scotland is coded as, okay, if Scotland is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, and LOAN loan is coded as 1, 4, 3, 5, LOTS loads is coded as 8, 1, 2, 4, then DAN is coded as 5, 3, 7, and SON is coded as 4, 5, 8. Okay, so you have to find out what will be coded as C. Okay, so here in this question beta, first you have to find out all the parts. Okay, all the letters. What is the coded of all the letter? Okay, it is written Scotland is coded as only these three numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we have to find out the actual coded. What is the code of S? What is the code of C? What is the code of O? What is the code of T? Okay, and you have to find out what will be the code of C. So simply from here you have to relate. So beta solution, you can check LOAN and LOTS. Here in loan and loads, what is the common word? So you can see L and O are common. Okay, L and O are common. And what is the numbers? Common number 1, 4, 3, 5 and 8, 1, 2, 4. दोनों में कौन सा common number है? 1, 4 here is common and 1 and 4 here is also common. So L and O का code कौन सा हो सकता है बेटा? 1 और 4. Clear? L and O is now 1 and 4. Clear? Now after that you have to check. You will check here LOAN and DAN. इन दोनों में check करोगे तो कौन सा common letters कौन से हैं? AN is common and here AN is common. So A and N इन दोनों के letters numbers कौन से common है? इन दोनों में 1, 4, 3, 5, 5, 3, 7. So 3 and 5 और 5 और 3. Okay. So 3 और 5. A और N को क्या दे दिया आपने? 3 और 5. So AN के अलावा यहाँ पर क्या बच गया बेटा? D. So D का कोड तो क्या हो जाएगा? D का कोड क्या हो जाएगा? 3, 5 आप ले चुके हैं. So D किसको रिलेट करेगा? 7 को. क्लियर? नाउ SON. ON बेटा किसमें है? इसमें है LOAN में. So LOAN and SON इन दोनों में कौन सा कॉमन है? O and N. Okay. So O and N. ON कॉमन है तो दोनों में कौन से लेटर नंबर कॉमन है? 4 and 5. Okay. So 4 and 4 और 5. 4 और 5. So ON कॉमन है 4 और 5 तो S के लिए कौन सा होगा? 8. क्लियर? सो कितने लेटर्स कितने नंबर्स तो हो चुके हैं? 1, 4, 5, 7, 8. ओके, सो 6 and 2 बच गया. ठीक है. सो 2 हियर LOTS बेटा. ओके, LOTS. सो LO आप ले चुके हो. ठीक है. इधर क्या बच गया आपके पास? T and S. सो T और S. S किस में कॉमन है? देखो इधर इन दोनों में कॉमन देखोगे LOTS and SON. सो S and O आर कॉमन. ओके, S and O. क्लियर? सो S and O. सो S and O के लिए कौन से नंबर्स यूज करेंगे हम? 4 और 5. इधर कौन से कॉमन है? S and O के लिए 4 और 8. सो 4 4 and 8. सो S के लिए 8 हो चुका है पहले, इसका मतलब O के लिए क्या होगा 4, O के लिए क्या होगा 4, S के लिए 8. अब OS हो चुका है, L हो चुका है, 8 भी ले चुके हैं, 4 भी ले चुके हैं, तो 1 किसको डिनोट करेगा बेटा, इधर LOTS में 8 भी हो चुका है, 4 भी हो चुका है एंड 2 भी हो चुका, 2 हो गया नहीं, 2 नहीं हुआ है, 1 एंड 2 रह गए, ठीक है. बट हियर O एंड S में 8 एंड 4 लिया आपने, 8 एंड 2 भी ले लिया है, 2 एंड 8 2 भी नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है. ओके, वी विल सी. ओके, LO here and LO in both LO common, so 1 and 4, 1 we have taken. Okay, 1 here, so what is left, only 2 is left. So L we have taken, O we have taken, S we have taken. So for T we will use the code 2. So T के लिए कौन सा कोड यूज होगा बेटा 2. Okay, so you have to find out first, relate them. Okay, relate the letters. Okay, what is the common in both the letters, in both the words, which letters are common and which numbers are common, you have to find out. So you have to check, you can check here 1 2 3 4 5 7 8, all the numbers we have taken, only 6 is left. It means and C is not in any number. Okay, loan, lords, den and son, in these 4 words C is not there. Okay, so it means only C is left. And what will be the code of C? So here you can see all the numbers you have taken, only 6 is left, so C will be coded as 6. Clear? C will be coded as 6. So what will be the code for C? So it will be 6, because all 1 to 8 code you have to find out, and Scotland is written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but its meaning is not there. S is 1, C is 2, O is 3, T is 4. Okay, you have to find out the correct one. Loan is coded as this one, lords is coded as this one, den is this, son is this. So you will find out first which letters will relate to which numbers. After that you have to select only C. C is not there. Okay, so C is left, and C and the number which is not common here in all the numbers, so 6 is not there. So you can say C will represent to the number 6. Clear? Question number 30. C will represent the number 6. So like that you have to solve question number 30. Is it clear, beta? Now one more question I will explain. Question number 31 from Brain Teasers. Beta, Brain Teasers 5 questions are there, and these are very tricky and important questions. Okay, so you have to solve each and every question. So question number 31 from Brain Teasers, it is given. What is the question? ZIP is coded as 198 if ZIP is coded as 198, ZAP is coded as 246. So what will be the code as VIP? Okay, ZIP is coded as 198. Okay, ZAP is coded as 246. So what will be the code of VIP? Okay, so you have to find out. So beta, here first position of letters is given. Okay, so you have to find out the position of letter. After that you have to add them, multiply, subtract. You have to check how are you getting 198. Okay, so this is very tricky question. Okay, so how will you find out, beta? So first you will check ZIP. Okay, you will write ZIP. So first one I am writing Z. Okay, if you are starting Z as, if you are starting from the left hand side, so Z position will be 26, I position will be E F G H I. Okay, I and J. So J से पहले होगा I, so it will be 9, and P की पोजीशन क्या होगी बेटा? M N O P. O के बाद P 16. Clear? So 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 6 21. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या मिल रहा है आपको? 16 plus 9, 9 plus 6 15. Okay, 15 plus 6 21, 2 2 2 1 3 4 5. Okay, 51. 51 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सो आपको 198 मिल सकता है? नहीं. 51 में कुछ ऐड करोगे? नहीं. ओके, इट मीन्स यू विल चेक नाउ फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड you have done. Now you will start from right hand side. So first of all you will write all these letters from right hand side. So what will be the position of Z? First position, position of I. So G H I. Okay, G H I. So 19 and 18. So it will be 18th position. What will be the position of P? P Q. Okay, so P will be at 11th position. Clear? Now you can add them. What you have to do? First you will find out the position of the letters from the right hand side beta. Okay, in this question first you will write the position from right hand side. So Z will be at first position, I will be 18th position, P will be 11th position. Now add the letters 1 plus 18 plus 11. Okay, so you will get here 19 plus 11, so 30. Okay, now 30 you are getting, so 30 multiply 8 something you can get 198, never. Okay, because 0 multiply something it will be always 0. So here you have to add something. So beta you have to add 3. So 30 plus 3, 33 multiply 6. So you will get 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18 and 198. So 198 this one you will get. Clear? So first of all you will find out the position of the letter from right hand side. After that you will add 3 and multiply by 6. This is the rule of to find out this one question. Next one ZAP. So core of ZAP it will be same 1 from right hand side. A position will be 26 and P position will be 11th. Add the letter. So 1 plus 26 plus 11. You will get here 27 and 11, 38. Okay, 38 plus 3, 38 plus 3, 41 multiply 6. So you will get 6 1 ja 6 and 6 4 ja 24. So 24 this one is correct. Clear? Okay, so what is the rule you have to follow here beta? You have to find out the trick here. Okay, and this one rule you can follow here. First you will add the numbers. Okay, first you will find out the position of letters from right hand side. After that you will add them, you will add them, you have to add. After that you will add 3 and multiply by 6. So same you will apply on VIP also. So VIP. Clear? Same you will apply on VIP. Okay, so VIP, how will you find out the VIP? So what is the position of V? So position of V from right hand side 5, I position is 18 and P position is 11. So 16 plus 18 you will get 34. 34 plus 3 you will get 37. Multiply 6. So 6 7 ja 2, 42 and 6 3 are 18 and 4 20. Okay, so 2 will be your answer. Clear? 2. Yes. Okay, so what will you find out here beta? ZIP is coded as this one, ZAP is coded as this one. You have to find out the VIP. So here in this question first you will find out the position of letter from right hand side. After that add the numbers. After that in addition you will add 3 and multiply by 6. You will follow this one rule and you will get the answer 222. Okay, so VIP is coded as 222. Clear? So like that you have to solve the questions. Okay, so you will complete the question till question number 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. These 4 questions also I will explain better in our next video. Okay, till 31st question you have to complete in your fair notebook. And if you have any doubt, please join the Zoom class for the doubt session tomorrow. Clear? Thank you so much, students.